The subject of today's video is how to write ad copy that sells. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I began my affiliate marketing career in December of 2020. I am a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison. And I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Writing the ad copy for the product or service you are trying to sell can be very daunting. For most of us, starting out with a blank page is a little scary. So there is a proven plan that you can use to reduce the pressure and the fear so you can write copy that sells. Begin with your products or services' strongest benefit. In the advertising world, features tell, but benefits sell. Expand on that most important benefit, the what, why, and the how. Explain exactly and in detail what the prospect will get. This is where you can explain some of the features. You can do so by painting a picture, which will give your reader something to visualize and chew on. Then back up your statements with proof. This is your chance to flash some facts, stats, testimonials, awards, anything that will give credibility to your claims. Then, tell them if they don't act or don't get your product or service, what they'll lose. What they'll lose if they don't act. People are far more driven to avoid pain than to acquire pleasure. As a species, we're constantly striving to prevent suffering and avoid discomfort. That's why it's important to incorporate some negativity into your copy. Sum up the most important benefits. You just took your reader to the dark side. Now bring them back into the light and recap all those terrific benefits that captivated your reader in the first place, reminding them why they should pull the trigger. This is your last opportunity to sum up the value of your product or service, which will bring it to the reader's life. This is your chance to push the reader over the threshold, so make it personal and emotional for your target audience. Then the most important thing is present your call to action. If you don't ask your reader to take a specific action at the end of your copy, if you don't tell them what to do next, you might as well not have written anything in the first place. In fact, if you write a headline and copy, no call to action, you're not going to make any sales. If you write a headline and no call to action, you're not going to make any sales. However, if you write a headline and no copy and a call to action, you'll probably get some sales. And I don't care how compelling your words have been. If there isn't a clear next step, your copy is almost certainly going to fail. So keep your call to action simple and direct. Don't force your reader to think. Make it easy to read. Copy that sells isn't impressive. It doesn't use 50-cent flowery words. It does not use words that will make most readers run to the dictionary. The words are simple. Keep it easy. Keep it simple. Your reader shouldn't have to stop reading to make sense of what you're saying, not even for a nanosecond. The more your copy flows, the longer you'll keep their attention, and the easier it'll be for them to get the critical points you're making. Use keywords in your copy, not just for SEO searching. Although showing up on the first page of Google is a selling point, and of itself you should also be using keywords everywhere, not just SEO copywriting. Remember, these are the words and phrases your audience is using. When you speak their language and not yours, your copy will clearly convey the value of your offerings in a way that resonates with them. Copy that sells should always answer these two questions. What's in it for me, and how do I get it? And the key to this writing, is writing features and benefits. It's features and benefits in mind. Use bullet points and numbered lists strategically. But wait, before you skip over this one, there's a strategy within the strategy. According to the theory of serial position effect, people tend to recall the first and last items in a series. So, when you're using bullet points or numbered list, make sure you place the two most valuable points accordingly, first and last. Remove redundant or empty adverbs and be concise. Use the pro version of Grammarly, Grammarly.com. Grammarly is like having a Harvard professor with a PhD in English right there with you, instantly correcting all your grammatical mistakes as you type them. Replace adjectives with stronger nouns. Another great copywriting tip is replace adjective-noun pairs with just one more powerful noun. For instance, the adjective noun, difficult situation, make it dilemma. Tough spot, make it bind. Specific group, say niche instead. Write niche instead. Replace adjectives with verbs. Rather than describe your product as an all-in-one, easy to use, powerful, whatever, etc., to promote your product or service, use verbs to communicate exactly what they can do with your product. Verbs such as collect, grow, drive, assist, get in touch. Verbs like make, sell, increase, guide. And the verbs like send, invite. Also, plain statements that get right to the point are more credible than adjectives that try to convince. I hope this copywriting guidance helps you sell more of your product or service, and I hope you can learn even more in the Partner with Anthony marketing course. I am enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers to prove it. He has ClickFunnels, $2 million awards, plus Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing training is a 30-step with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No marketing internet stone is left unturned. To get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. And thank you for watching. I will see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments, of course, are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video. To your continued success.